Hello everyone, in this video you'll watch me prep and preserve these two, yam and plantains. You can apply the same procedure you see in this video to potatoes, all types of potatoes, Irish, that's spuds, and sweet potatoes. I'll start with the yam. I slice the yam according to what I'll use it to prepare. For this one, the slices will be about 1 inch thick. Peel and cut off all the bad parts. Then rinse very well under running water. I cut them some more depending on the recipe. These half moon ones are for boiled yam that will be served with egg stew. The chips ones are for yam chips for snacking on. You can leave the yam chips like this, but I'll cut mine further. For yam that I'll use for yam porridge, plain yam porridge or with vegetables, I would slice them thicker like so. Then rinse and cut into cubes. Some of them are not cubes, but yeah, we are trying to fit a round peg in a square hole here. Pack the ones for boiling into a ziploc bag. You can pat it dry with a paper towel if you want to ensure that they do not stick together when frozen. For the chips, I'll do one more step. I like to pre-cook it just like they pre-cook potatoes in the potato chips industry. It's more enjoyable when you bite into it. Yum! So I set some water to boil, and once it boils godo godo, that's Igbo onomatopoeia for a rolling boil, add the yam chips. Once it starts boiling again, watch the clock and let it boil for 30 seconds. Yes, 30 seconds max, then take it off. Half a minute is okay for my size of chips, but for this size, you can go for 1 minute max. Pour in a sieve. Add salt. And toss. And it's time for flash freeze. Remember our flash freeze? Lay them flat on a surface like so. If you watched this far, it means you're enjoying the video. Please click the like button and share this helpful video with your friends and family. Have you? And place in the freezer. Next, the plantains. You must use firm plantains. Unripe plantains are already firm, but for ripe plantains, you must ensure that they are still firm. This is because firm plantains freeze very well, much better than soft plantains. I'll be using this first set of plantains for plantain porridge. I rinse them very well. The dirt on the skin of plantain will stick to the plantain as you're peeling it, so you need to rinse them very well, even rub with a foam sponge. Peel. Then slice. This is how I like to slice plantains for plantain porridge. Yes, makes yummier plantain porridge. This second set of plantains are for frying. Slice them into the classic shape. Or cubes or discs, anyhow you want it. Put the ones to be fried in a bowl and sprinkle some salt. Toss, toss, toss. If you do not like salt in your fried plantains, you can skip it. Then lay them flat like so. I prefer laying them on parchment paper or baking sheet. You'll see why in a minute. But if you do not have parchment paper, use aluminium foil. You'll see the downside of using aluminium foil in a minute too. Place everything in the freezer. And in a few hours, everything is frozen. You see how easily the ones laid on parchment paper are coming off? Compare that to the ones laid on aluminium foil. Big difference, yeah? Put them all in ziploc bags. And put back into the freezer till whenever. I'll use all these prepped and preserved staples to prepare different types of recipes. I can count at least 5 different recipes right now, so subscribe if you don't want to miss those videos. Have you liked this video yet? Have you? Bye bye. See you soon.